Hi there. If you're watching this video, then you're probably interested in getting your tattoo removed. You're definitely at the right place. You might even be feeling a little rushed or anxious because you want to find a good solution fast. But rest assured, because for most situations, effective tattoo removal can be done. You just don't want to rush into a decision without first learning about it though, and that's why I wanted to make this educational video for you. Before I get started, since everybody's situation is different, I can totally understand if you have specific questions in mind that you wanted answered. In that case, feel free to click on the link in the description below right now and set up a free consultation with me. I'd be happy to help. Aside from that, I'd like to take some time now to teach you a little bit more about the tattoo removal process and what you can expect. This way, you can avoid being taken advantage of and instead come into your tattoo removal consultation educated and in a place to make smart decisions. So here are some common questions, which I will now address. First of all, how does it work? So most tattoos can be removed in 5 to 15 treatments. Each treatment takes just a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on the size of the tattoo. Competent and professional tattoo removal specialists use what's called the Kirby-Desai Tattoo Removal Scale to estimate how many treatments it will take. This scale takes into consideration your skin tone, your tattoo's color, whether it's professional or amateur tattoo, and a variety of other factors. I've included a link below this video if you'd like to read more about it. So the way a tattoo is removed is the specialist uses state-of-the-art lasers to direct energy at the ink of the tattoo for a fraction of a second. The laser's energy passes harmlessly through the outer layer of your skin to target the tattoo ink directly. So what the laser does is, it breaks the ink molecules into smaller components, which your body's immune system naturally absorbs and gets rid of. So another question commonly asked is, will it be gone after one treatment? Well, no. Your tattoo won't be completely gone after your first treatment, but it will likely look a little bit blurred. Most tattoos require several treatments for a full removal. This begs the question, how long should I wait between treatments then? It is recommended that you wait around 7 weeks between treatments for the best results. This will give your body time to get rid of the fractured ink particles. What if you have a color tattoo? Different colors respond to different types of lasers. So, if you have a color tattoo, make sure you ask your specialist whether or not their lasers will work for your specific tattoo. Certain colors are harder to get rid of than others, so that's definitely something to ask on a case-by-case basis. Another common question is, does it hurt? Well, first of all, keep in mind that the treatment is very quick. It's just a few seconds to a couple of minutes. The procedure is generally considered uncomfortable but tolerable. Finally, pricing. How much is it going to cost? So the price is going to vary from clinic to clinic, depending on the size of your tattoo. It's almost always going to be around $50 to $500 a session, depending on how many square inches your tattoo is. So for a full removal process, you're probably going to be looking at spending a few $100s to a few $1,000s. It's not the greatest thing to hear, but that's just how it is for the time being because the lasers are so state-of-the-art. Finally, some parting thoughts. The tattoo removal process is a process that requires patience. There's no getting around that. By all means, begin your treatment right away if you're anxious to get rid of it. But you definitely want to go in with the correct mindset. Namely, I'm going to be patient and consistent with my treatments. And in 6 months to a year from now, this thing is going to be gone forever. That's how you want to approach it. You don't want to approach it like, oh, I want to get rid of this in the next few months, because it's not going to happen, and it's poor expectations. But if you go in thinking, I'm going to do this consistently for 6 months to a year, this unwanted tattoo of mine is going to be gone at last. You're going to be very happy with the process. Because the bottom line is that the technology exists. It's not the cheapest thing in the world, and it's not the quickest process in the world, but it can and will effectively get rid of your tattoo. So you just want to approach the treatment with the correct mindset. If you found this video helpful and would like to talk to me personally and get your specific questions answered, I'd be more than happy to help. Simply click on the link below and schedule a free consultation. My schedule tends to fill up pretty fast, so please schedule in advance. If you have the budget and the right mindset, that unwanted tattoo of yours can very well be completely gone by this time next year. Imagine how it would feel like to look and see your skin again, tattoo-free. Click on the link below and let's get you there as soon as possible.